Hey there, curious minds! Ever watched a learning video and felt like you were right there in the action? That's the power of making learning real. When we can see and experience things firsthand, even through a screen, it fires up our brains and helps us learn faster. Let's dive into some cool tricks to make your learning videos come alive. First up, ditch the boring slideshows. Imagine you're learning about volcanoes. Wouldn't it be awesome to see actual footage of lava flowing and ash clouds erupting? Real footage grabs your attention and makes you feel like you're part of the action. For example, if you're explaining how a car engine works, show a real engine with all its parts. Seeing the real deal beats any drawing or diagram. Next, let's talk sound. Imagine watching that volcano footage without the roar of the eruption or the rumble of the ground. It wouldn't be nearly as exciting, right? Authentic sound effects and music add another layer of realism, making the experience more immersive and memorable. For example, if your video is about the Amazon rainforest, use real rainforest sounds like exotic birds chirping and insects buzzing. It'll feel like you're right in the jungle. Now let's get technical. Sometimes we can't always film things in real life, especially if we're talking about things too big, too small, or even from the past. That's where the magic of 3D animation comes in. Let's say you're teaching about dinosaurs. You can't exactly film a T-Rex in action. But with 3D animation, you can create a realistic, moving model that brings these prehistoric giants back to life.